Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to day 2 of my 12 Days of Christmas series 2022. Today we are going to do a silver and pink kind of icy girly leopard print tumbler. This one started out with not really any idea and I kind of just let the tumbler guide me to this final result. So I really hope that you enjoy it. You know the drill. If you enjoy the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below as well so you don't miss any of my new videos. I'll be uploading a brand new video every day for the next few days. And after that, I'll be uploading my regular schedule every Tuesday and Saturday. I'll have everything I'm using in this video listed and linked down below in the description box. I'll also have some discount codes for you, of course, as well as links to all of my social media pages, my Facebook group, and my exclusive mentorship group, MBMM Elite. All of the info for that is down in the description box if you're interested in joining any of those groups or following along with me anywhere else. Okay, I think that's it. I really hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. We are going to start out with this beautiful glitter from Peachy Olive Glitters. This is called Luxe, and I'm going to put it straight on my stainless steel tumbler. I'm using a 30-ounce traditional from Craft Haven. So I mixed up about 30 milliliters of epoxy, added in my Luxe glitter to my epoxy, and then just applied that straight to my cup. We are just going to have this silver glittery base as kind of like the backdrop for our design, so don't worry about base painting or anything like that. Of course you can if you want to, but you don't have to. So next we're going to take this semi-transparent vinyl. This is from BAMF Custom Creations. The title of it is Pink Christmas. It's all these super cute little pink Christmas trees, and I'm going to cut these out. I want to cut away any of the half trees, you know, on the edges, or anything that's not really a complete tree. And then I'm going to cut the vinyl down into smaller sections. Because of the shape of this tumbler, I want to apply everything in smaller sections so I don't get any wonky lines or have anything look super weird. So I'm starting at the bottom of the cup. I just cut out 2 rows of trees, and now I'm going to apply this like a regular sheet of vinyl essentially. And you can see that all of that space in between the trees is clear, so our glitter base is going to show through there. Once I'm done with the bottom portion, I'm going to move up to the top. Now this area where the cup starts to taper off, I'm going to apply those trees individually one by one, just because I want to make sure that they lay flat over that area of the cup where it starts to taper inward. So I'm going to cut my vinyl down the same way I did with the first sheet, and then I'm going to take that 3rd row and cut it down and then cut all of these trees out one by one so I can apply them individually by hand. And then finally, it's time to move up to the top portion of the cup. So I'm going to take another 2 rows of trees, and I'm going to line up the patterns on the trees in this bottom row with the same pattern in the top row on the bottom section, if that makes any sense. I just want to make sure that the pattern with the trees is consistent throughout the entire thing. It won't really matter in the end, but I just wanted to make sure everything looked uniform. After I had all my trees placed down, I went in with another coat of epoxy, and now I'm going to go in with Cupid from Rae Creations. It's a really pretty pink, and I'm going to apply this with the glitter glue from the Crystal Company, and I'm going to put this glue on the entire tumbler, but I'm only going to apply my glitter to the top rim and kind of waterfall it down just a little bit. You can see again, I didn't add any base paint. I wanted this to just be like an additional little level of sparkle. We're gonna go in with a lot of vinyl work later, so all of these elements are really just kind of background layers, if that makes any sense. So as you can see, I'm going in with Cupid, and I'm just starting out a little heavy on the top rim and fading it downward all the way to the bottom of the cup, getting lighter in coverage as we go down. So after that, I did 2 more coats of epoxy. Each coat was about 15 milliliters, and now I'm ready to go in with my leopard print. So I'm using this beautiful like pearlescent silver vinyl from Tech Wrap Craft, and I cut out this fuzzy leopard file. This is from Bear Trends Digi Designs on Etsy, and I'm just going to place these one by one in between all of those little white trees that we have down. I am going to use my tweezers to help me place them. You can use, just your hand. You can use transfer tape if you want. I find that it's quickest and easiest for me to just pick them up with my tweezers and lay them one by one. So I'm just going to cover this entire cup, all of this open space, with these silver leopard spots. After the leopard spots were all applied, I went in with 1 more coat of epoxy. This one was pretty thin. It was only about 15 milliliters. I just wanted to shine the surface up so that we can put this white backed decal on. This decal is from Create by Firefly, and it says Merry, 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 and it's got some pink and some leopard print in it. So like I said in the intro, when I started designing this cup, I really had no idea in mind, but then I was going through my decals and I found this one, and I just said, okay, I'm gonna design the entire cup based on this decal. So that's what I did. So I'm just going to place that right on the top portion of the cup, then go in with my final coat of epoxy, and here is the final result. This one is a little bit different for me. I kind of just let the cup guide me step by step, but I really like how it turned out, and I hope that you do too. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, love you. Bye.
You. Okay. You.